हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 12th का फिजिक्स चैप्टर 9 ऑप्टिक्स रे ऑप्टिक्स। ऑप्टिक्स इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स दैट डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ नेचर, प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रोपेगेशन ऑफ लाइट। इट हैज टू ब्रांचेज, रे और ज्योमेट्रिकल ऑप्टिक्स। It deals with the particle nature of the light and based directly propagation of light and refraction and reflection. Wave physical and it deals with the wave nature of the light and based on the phenomena like interference, diffraction and polarization. Reflection, when light falls on the surface and bounces back in the same medium, it is called the reflection of light. Laws of reflection, there are two laws: the incident rays, reflected rays and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. There are two kinds of images: real images and virtual images. This is the figure: incident rays, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Image property in the plane mirror. Image form is virtual and erect. Image property of the plane mirror. Image form in the virtual and erect. Image form is laterally inverted and appears left, right, and left appears right. Size of the image equal to size of the object. Distance of the image from the mirror is equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. A spherical, there are two kinds. There are the concave mirror and convex mirror. Convex mirror and concave mirror. Concave mirror reflective surface inward and convex mirror reflective surface outward. Definition related to the spherical mirror. Number 1, P pole, it is the midpoint of the spherical reflecting surface. C center of curvature of the which the mirror forms a part. Radius of the radius of the sphere of the which the mirror forms a part. Principal axis, the straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of the mirror. Principal focus, a narrow beam of light parallel to the principal axis either actually converges or appears to diverge from a point to F to the principal axis after the reflection are called the principal focus. And focal length, the distance of the principal focus from the pole of the mirror is called the principal focus. And linear aperture, it is the diameter of the circular boundary of the spherical mirror, it is called the aperture. This is the ray optics and we deals here. This is the main branch of the physics. I forward and go to the and learn these topics. Bye students, आगे की टॉपिक हम कल की वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. ओके बाय. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें.